guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well, and if you're here for the first time, I am Sanchita Sinha. I make videos on makeup, lifestyle, hauls and whatever comes my way, and a little bit of vlogs too. So from today's title, you must have made it out that this video is going to be super extra special because you guys love haul. Whoever have yet been with me know how much I love hauls too. So this is a huge massive Myntra haul. I had just purchased. They had an amazing sale going on last month, so I got this order in like it started in the middle of the month, so I got this order completed by day before yesterday. So I was waiting for the entire lot to come, and I just couldn't wait to sit down and film this particular video. So without wasting further much of time, let's straight head on to the hauls and see what all I have got. Let's keep on watching. So to begin with the haul, I'll just take a moment to appreciate the effort that Myntra and any of these e-commerce companies making by trying to avoid plastic as much as possible. They have come up with this kind of packaging which is made of paper, and I just loved it. So to begin with, I'll first head on to two products which were necessity rather than just buying it for the sake. I head on to the dress section. I'll show you this particular bag I got, wallet I got from Baggett company, and it retails for $8.90, but during the sale I got it for $3.90. so it's like an office pouch, and it's like really good. I have Lavi one, so this is the first time I'm having this Baggett one, and it's really great. It has these card holders, and then it is a big pouch, like you can even put in the phone inside. So that's a great thing, especially when you are working, you have to go out, you cannot carry multiple things. The other product which I got from Baggett itself is this particular bag from Baggett. This retails for $24.90, but I got it $9.90, and this is an office bag for purpose because I need to go office regularly, and I just love this kind of bags. I have two from Lavi. One is of yellow color and red color. You must have seen me using them. And also recently I got one from Zouk. I don't know that that bag is also available here, although this is not from Myntra, but I'll definitely take a moment to appreciate this beauty as well. This is from Zouk. This is a very good bag. This is vegan. No animals have been harmed whatsoever. It is huge. If you see, it has this laptop sleeve cover, so I put my laptop over here. There are certain holders also. So this is basically not from Myntra, but I thought of showing this as well because I bought it pretty much at the same time. This was not actually bought, this was actually gifted. I have shared this post on Instagram, so you must have seen. This is from Zouk. Next, coming to another necessary item I got from Myntra is a laptop sleeve. Like when I go to office and if I carry a bag like so, I need to have this laptop sleeve. So I got this one from Chumbak. It is very colorful kind of a laptop sleeve. It generally retails for $12.95, but I got my hands on this pretty bag. That is the laptop sleeve, only for $4.99. so this was an amazing deal as well. Okay, so now coming to the dresses which I have got from Myntra. I got these two dresses from Myntra. These are very cottony dresses with this belt. I will definitely post the picture or the video over here or here, wherever is it possible. And this is a midi dress, and this comes with a belt kind of a detailing. This is a shirt dress. I will also leave the link below so that in case you want to buy it, you can definitely try it out. And I just got it at very inexpensive price. Like this retails for $16.99. This is from the brand Sangaria, and I got it around at $6.99 or $7.99. so this is a very comfy dress. You must have seen how it looks. The next dress I got again is a shirt dress, and this is again from that same brand Sangaria, and it is all the button details, and it is also mid-length, and these are all in the size L. They have size range from XS to XXL, so you will find your size perfectly well. And this retails for $17.99. I got it for 9.99. Next piece I got is this salwar kameez, an ethnic salwar kameez. This is from the brand Onak, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a spaghetti salwar kameez with plain material. This is like so. This is quite a length for me with pants. And the best about this particular piece, like if you see in the video, it looks very very pretty, specifically because of the dupatta it has. So it is not basically dupatta, it's kind of a stole. It's like half a length and it's real pretty. So this, then the next piece I got is a very comfy top, and the message written over it is, I follow my heart and let me to the beach. Okay, so this is a very yellow crop top and I just love it. And I got an olive pant along with it. I have posted the picture and the video here. You can see this looks so cool. Like even if you have my shape, it's okay. So I got this joggers, this olive colored jogger to pair with this. This has a belt detailing and it looks amazing. So it comes with this bow kind of comfy loose t-shirt. This says work from home clubs. I like, so that's it. And last I got another t-shirt, but it is a little bit of more classier. Like these two are very comfy basic ones, and this is of kind of a full sleeves. Like we are entering into a season when we have a change of weather, so I can like pair it with the jeans. This is a full sleeve t-shirt and it look amazing. I'll post the pictures. HRX joggers for myself, like for my jogging and gymming purpose. So that's all I got from the Myntra haul. I also got a pair of belts, the black basic belt. I'll post the picture because I'm not finding it right now. Probably I have kept it somewhere. But overall I will rate each product as to be a fab one. And if you ask me one product which like I have loved the most apart from the dresses, is got to be this particular yellow t-shirt. This is very basic. This is from Must & Harbour. It cost $7.99, but I got it at $2.99 I suppose. So that's it. So if you like the video, if you like all the products, do let me know in the comment section below which one are you hopping in for. And if you're here for the first time, please, before you leave my channel and move to another video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, loads and loads of love. Stay safe, stay at home. Do not step out of the house unnecessarily. Until next time, bye.